Listen, I already know how hard it is for you to be able to get product. I know how hard it is for you to be able to get products that actually come fast enough and are in demand. I know also that getting a profit from a product when you're paying a bunch of money for shipping can become difficult. I also know that being somebody that wants to make an income stream is very taxing mentally. I am a reseller myself. I'm somebody that has phone flipped for over a decade and also resold products for over a decade. I turned my reselling business into a phone store, into 4 phone stores, and then a warehouse, and also now I really, to be honest, have a bunch of people operating and doing things for me to where I could actually sit back and relax. But that's not how you create generational wealth, and I'm never content or happy with where I am, and you shouldn't be either. You also shouldn't be someone giving up on your dreams because it's getting too hard. What I'm going to do in this video is we're going to actually be packaging a order for a reseller's kit. Okay, now the resellers kits are on wesply.com. These resellers kits are kits that you can get for multiple different platforms, or even just get a regular resellers kit. Now here's the difference. We have an eBay resellers kit, Mercari resellers kit, Facebook Marketplace resellers kit, and a regular resellers kit. Oh, that's a lot. We was usually just selling one resellers kit, but I gave multiple options because different products sell better on different platforms. We like to give you guys a direct, listen to me, a direct connection to what we are actually seeing in the market. I'm not a creator trying to tell you to drop ship. I'm not a creator trying to tell you to buy into extensions to figure out what products are actually selling, nor am I somebody that is getting paid to promote products. These are products that are actually scaling and selling for a bunch of my customers. And I want you guys to become one of my customers, but most importantly, I want you guys to become somebody making money and somebody that's not going around and around trying to figure out how to make this reselling thing work. Now, I understand it's most of us that, to be honest, do this just for money. But if I'm being honest, what I've realized, one of the hardest things I had to understand is that the money isn't the point. Now, I know you might be like, well, Brandon, of course you're gonna say that because this, and this. Money is valuable, but brand is sustainable. Because money is meant to be spent. Money is meant to be invested. But your brand is meant for people to invest in. So when you are selling these products and when you're getting these products, it's important that you make sure the products that you're getting have substance. Make sure the products that you're getting sell themselves. Make sure the products that you're getting are needed. All the products that I'm about to show you are products that have their own brand, products that sell themselves, products that you can sell on any platform, and products that you actually can get today. Resellers kits only take 2 days to ship, and they also are products that are full of trending items. So let's get into it. Number one, the way I want to break this down is, and I'm gonna always start my product boxes off with these, which are 20-piece cords. Now these are this is USB to Lightning, okay? So USB to Lightning, we're gonna put that in there. But we also have bigger products that we gotta put in first this time, which are going to be these, okay? So usually we put in either AirPod Gen 2 reps, or we put in Clone Maxes. So we're gonna do the Clone Maxes this time. So these are gonna go into the box as well, okay? Now, again, guys, this costs $250. This alone makes you back your money, okay? So, again, our main purpose is to make you guys residual customers. That's our main purpose. So our main purpose with these boxes is for you actually to make money. You feel me? So the next thing that we're gonna do, right, is we're gonna add in these. So you got 3 feet, you got 5 feet, and you got 10 feet, okay? These are cables, okay? Now, these cables are just like these cables, but they come in packaging. Now, we do sell a lot of these boxes to stores that need clings like this, but if you don't need clings, but you get these, I'm gonna tell you this, the packaging alone allows you to sell it for higher, okay? Next, we're gonna do USB-C adapters, okay? So these adapters, again, they just make sense, man. These sell. So you can sell these for anywhere between $850 to even $1050. We start at $650 on eBay, and on Mercari we start at $652. Okay, like $652, like not $652. You get me? But yeah, so all right, boom. Okay, so that alone is going to make you your money back plus more, but we actually have more. We have these power bank sticks. Now, we don't usually sell these until it becomes spring and summer, because a lot of people use this to power their JBL speakers and power their portable speakers when they're out. We're going to include 3 of these. Okay. Next thing that we're going to include is actually USB adapter. And these USB adapters are going to be AAA quality and also come with hinges or hangs. And also, look at the packaging. The packaging is awesome. I love this packaging. So this packaging is going to actually do you guys great. And also what we're going to do is we're going to be now including these cables. My store is calling me. They can't survive without me. And then the last thing that we're going to include, where's it at? Is the watch, okay? So we're taking pride in putting some watches in the box as well. So we're gonna put these watches in too, and that is going to literally be what we package these products in the box with, right? Now, the reason I wanted to actually show you guys this is because while we do these reseller kits, it's important that you understand this, right? Resellers kits are meant for you to make money, but you also gotta make sure that when you are getting these, you are literally inventorying them. Make sure that you're putting on a piece of paper, okay, I got the USB-C adapter. Now, how much do I want to make from this? Now, every product that you get in here, you are going to be able to sell. Easy. But it's all about making sure that you put on a spreadsheet the products that you have, what is your highest price you're willing to go, what's the lowest price, and then keeping tabs on it so that you're making sure that you are making money and that you are getting enough money to be able to reinvest or invest in another part of the business or another income stream. I know people that do this full time. I know people that do this for a side income. I know people that just put their check money aside. They put a little bit of the money into a reseller's kit, double their check, and then go about their day. This doesn't have to be a full-time job. And again, guys, a lot of people like to sell people on dreams because people like to have you fantasize and live through them, basically, vicariously through them. Me, no. I understand that giving somebody advice is trying to tell them how to be you. So what I try to do is give people information so that they can take a little bit of what I got and put it inside of them so that they can actually transform and make the most out of their money and their situation and their business and blend it all together. I call it Frankensteining, right? Learning what I'm doing and then putting it into your whole game plan and making the most of it. You can do it, guys. I believe in you, and I hope I see you guys at the top because it's way too crowded at the bottom. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make this money, man. You guys can get this resellers kit at wesply.com. You can get the eBay one, Macari one, you can get the Facebook Marketplace one, or you can get the regular simple one. They all start at $250, and again, you're able to make this money work for you. Simple, quick, and easy. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys continue to make money work for you and don't work for the money.